Andrew, we gotta work through this guy. You gotta.
No, I'm not going back to the hospital. This bitch ass nigga ain't my grandpa.
That is your grandpa.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
We understand, Andrew, and dude, this has got to be difficult. We're gonna take those off, okay? We just gotta calm things down, all right? You're a big dude, and I don't really want to wrestle with you.
Individuals who have untreated mental illness can experience extreme discomfort, emotional unrest, pain, and intrusive thoughts. Much of the same discomfort and emotional distress is carried by nearby family members who are not properly equipped to help their loved ones. Often, these family members call on a mental health professional for help, but are told instead to call the police. Police officers are often the first point of contact a person has when they enter the mental health system. Contrary to popular belief, our police officers are experts with conflict resolution and de-escalating intense, potentially deadly scenarios without inflicting harm on the individuals. The video for today shows officers responding to just that type of call, and they handle it with careful expertise, just like they always do. These calls go unnoticed, but they are the norm, not the exception.
How you doing, sir? You call?
Steve.
Did you call us?
Yes.
What's going on?
Well, my grandson, he's got mental conditions. How you doing, Steve?
Yeah.
And he's been having a relapse the last a week or so, and he's been calling me, thinking I'm somebody named Brandon.
Yeah.
And a couple nights ago, he just in the middle of the night, he waked me up and says, "Get out of my grandpa's body, Brandon. What did you do with him?"
Yeah.
And he's going to talk about he's going to mess Brandon up and that. So I come down this morning and I was fixing some food, and he just goes by the front door standing like this. "You're not getting out of here, Brandon." I keep telling Andrew I'm not Brandon. So "You're not getting out of here." Well, I got my stuff down and went out the back door, and I come around. I was loading stuff into the truck. I still got one piece. It's an oxygen machine. I was trying to load it. He come out and tried to grab me and tried to wrestle me back in the house. So I got away from him and just come back here, and I decided to.
Any drug use or anything like that?
He smokes marijuana.
Okay.
He does take medicine. He's been out of medicine for some time.
Does he have a caseworker?
I don't know. He was at the last time your mental health unit was here.
Yeah.
And the last time that he did this, it was probably back in the spring. And he went down the street and knocked out somebody's window in the car, and he doesn't even know these people.
Yeah.
So he had money. I'd say money back for it from his, and he paid for it, and they decided not to press charges if he paid the damage. So I paid the damages while he was in the hospital, and he was in the hospital for a month or two maybe.
Yeah.
He got out, and they gave him a shot, and they refer him to doctors. And he's missed a couple of appointments in the past fall.
Yeah.
But he's been out of medicine. He doesn't want to cooperate with me when he gets this way. He just doesn't want to talk. He just tells me to get the F away from me. And
Yeah.
And
what's his first name?
Andrew. Now I could walk up on the porch and try to get that, but
Yeah, I'll go talk to him.
And
how do you spell his last name?
Amber.
You know his birthday?
1996.
You know his social?
No, I've got it written down.
Yeah, this is his address here.
Yeah, he lives here.
Does he have any warrants or anything right now?
Not that I know of.
Okay. So you just want to see him get some help?
Yeah, but I mean, now it's escalated to where he's grabbing me, so I don't know. He thinks I'm Brandon. When I was up on the porch, he said, "Get out here! You're not my grandpa. You're Brandon. My grandpa has green eyes." Well, I don't have green eyes. And
Yeah.
I just argue with them. And Andrew, I'm your grandpa. I'm not Brandon. I don't know who this Brandon is.
Yeah. Let me check him real quick in the system, and then we'll go up and talk to him. We'll try to get him to go somewhere. You said he did that. He went to doctors in the past.
They took him to. And last time he was up at Riverside in their mental health unit.
Is he a veteran? So where's this primary doctor at? Is it Riverside? I mean, is that where he mainly goes?
He doesn't have a primary doctor's yet.
Okay.
He was supposed to go see somebody at the end of August, and he missed that.
Where was he supposed to see them at?
Out there. I don't know. I can get his name, but
Okay.
he ain't gonna let me in the house. I got all the information.
We'll
It's in
go
there.
yeah, we'll go talk to him. Is the front door open?
I think.
What's your son's name?
Andrew, he's my grandson.
Any
Okay.
weapons? Okay. Essentially, he's saying that it's progressing. Like last night, he woke up and now he thinks that it's just a Yep.
Nice.
Hey, Andrew. What's up, man? How you doing today? You're not in trouble? Talk to me. What's going on?
Warmer in here.
What?
Jeez, Pete.
One of one's gonna get the paper out of this.
What's going
I'll
on, man?
need 2 Victor and you can send that for it.
You want to go get some help?
I'm not going back.
Going back where?
I know what my grandpa's eyes look like. My grandpa's eyes is green. His eyes is blue.
Where his eyes are blue.
It's not my grandpa.
Who all lives here?
Me. That's it.
Just you and your grandpa?
He's not my grandpa. My grandpa
Yeah,
eyes
we go
is
2
green.
here. They're
Okay,
saying he's not
well,
here.
where's
They
a
haven't
picture
seen
of
him.
him?
That 45 you're holding.
Right there on the
15,
wall?
I believe was 82's 48 earlier. So I'll have back with Steve. He was still there.
What's his name? What's your grandpa's name? Just hang out in here. What's your grandpa's name?
Steve Petty.
Steve Petty? Okay.
153, you want me to head over that
So,
45 or go to the...
how are you feeling today?
I'm okay.
Just hang out in here, okay, buddy? You can have a seat right there. So, your grandpa is concerned about you.
That's not my grandpa. My grandpa's eyes is green. I'm trying to tell you. His
Okay.
eyes is green, not blue.
So, who do you think that guy is? And these are the option that I want to give you is that you just walk out of here and come with us voluntarily.
I don't want to go back to the hospital. I'm tired of going back.
I know
I'm
you're-
not going. Get out of my house.
I know
Y'all ain't got no search warrant to get in here or nothing. Y'all just walked in my house. I want my lawyer. No, I want my lawyer.
Andrew?
I'm not speaking. I want my lawyer.
Okay, well, you can get a hold of your lawyer. Do you know his name?
22, I'll
Nope.
take care of that.
Okay.
Switch over.
You're going to have to do that at a later date. But right now, we're going to go out here and we're going to go to the hospital and you're going to go tell them that nothing's wrong with you. And then,
There's nothing wrong with me. Why can't y'all leave me alone? No.
Andrew,
Andrew, we gotta talk, man.
he can't. He's fucking
I understand what you're saying. Andrew, we gotta work through this guy. You gotta
No, I'm not
understand.
going back to the hospital. This bitch ass nigga ain't my grandpa.
That is your grandpa.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, it's not.
What?
My grandpa's eyes is green.
Okay.
This nigga eyes is blue.
Can we keep things at a calm level? Okay, that's what we're trying to do. Okay. Like we explained to you, we would like for you to go willingly.
I'm not going back to grand. I want to go with my real family. I know who my real family is.
So let me help you get to that point, okay? Let's get that figured out, but we can't do that standing here screaming and yelling, okay, Andrew?
because he's saying that it's like escalated to the point he's grabbing him, saying you ain't leaving. Said he came up and grabbed him in bed and was like, "Get out of my grandpa's body, Brandon." Okay, Andrew, this is what we're going to do. We're going to walk over this car, and we're going to go.
You don't have a choice. I'm sorry, Andrew.
Fuck you, bitch!
Is there a hospital that you
I'm
would...
not going back, man.
Yeah, we're getting in this cruiser right here. Andrew, you want to go in handcuffs? Is that what you want? Or you can just get in the car.
You get started. We understand, Andrew, and dude, this has got to be difficult. We're going to take those off, okay? We just got to calm things down, all right? You're a big dude, and I don't really want to wrestle with you.
You don't have anything on you, do you?
Do you have anything you'd like to take with you? Anything?
Phone?
Where's your phone
My
at?
headphones, my money.
Okay. We'll go get your stuff, okay?
Can I have your-
You get some grandpa's stuff.
Absolutely.
Here, hold on a second. Let me grab that seatbelt. Okay. Appreciate it. Where's your phone at?
It's on the computer desk.
So you want your phone and your headphones?
Nope.
Okay. You've been to the hospital before. I'm still trying to be courtesy to you in this sense. Which hospital did you like? And which one did you dislike?
You don't know.